Europeans brace the Saturday for the first heat wave of the Northern Hemisphere summer as the climate change pushes the thermometers on the world's farthest and the warming continents increasingly into the red area. Also, the temperature that are set to rise 37 degrees Celsius, that is to 99 Fahrenheit, in the Rome city, driving the eternal city's many tourists and the pilgrims to the Vatican alike towards the Italian capital, 2500 public fountains for the refreshment. Also, with the resident of the southern French port city of the Marseille is expected to have to cope with the temperature flirting with the 40 degrees Celsius, that is 104 Fahrenheit. The authorities in the city ordered the public swimming pools to be made free of charge to help the residents beat the Mediterranean heat. Also, two-thirds of the Portugal will be on the high alert on the Sunday for the extreme heat and also forest fires with a 42 degrees Celsius, that is 108 Fahrenheit, expected in the capital Lisbon, while the visitors to the protesters against the Amazon tycoon Jeff Bezos' wedding that was also held on the Friday in the Venice likewise sweltered under the summer sun. There is no wind, a lot of humidity, we are sweating and I am suffocating at night. That is what the Alejandra, a 40-year-old Mexican tourist to the Venice, told the AFP and Millennium on the Saturday. I try not to think about it, but I drink a lot of water and never stay still because that's when you get the sunstroke. Sierra Mirana, an Italian student, told the AFP and Millennium the day before. Scientists have long warned that the humanity's burning of the fossil fuel is heating up the world with the disastrous consequences for the environment, with the Europe even hotter and increasingly common blistering summer heat wave a direct result of that warming. The heat wave is forecast to become even more intense on the Sunday. Spain, which has in the past year seen a series of deadly summer blazes ravaging the Iberian Peninsula, is expecting the peak temperature in excess of the 40 degrees Celsius across most of the country.